So in here we now enter into our studio room. So we have recording studio, we have video editing suite, video area, we have alien light, we have light rings, we have light boxes, we have keyboards, guitars, tripods for days, drum kits, a piano. There's not much more you could want in a music editing suite, video editing suite for literally everything ever. Some of you are going to recognize my setup. Just working on some stuff, working on a new graphic design project currently. Dark chocolate peanuts, obviously. Casual harmonica, because why not? Yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff, a lot of paintings that Leslie's done. Some nice music-related memorabilia. A lot of Pink Floyd. A lot of Pink Floyd. A lot of Bob Floyd. Check out Bob Floyd. Some Coldplay. Yeah, I love this room. Do you recognize the mat? Do you recognize the cat? Hi. Hi. This is Harley. As in Harley Davidson or Harley Quinn. I don't think I ever call her Harley, I just call her Fresh One. Fresh One! She's a fresh one. She's the new one. She's only 5 months old. Maybe 6 now. 6 months old. Fresh One!